Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix NissanConnect Services app not working. So if you're having exactly that same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I'm going to do firstly is to just close my NissanConnect app, and instead I'm just going to go into my settings app on my phone. And in here we're just going to scroll down and then click on general as you can see. So just click on general. In here scroll down again and click on storage, and then just simply wait for this page now to completely load. It's going to take us a couple of seconds to completely load this page, and now when it's done we're just going to swipe up like this until we can see the search bar up top as you can see. So click on the search bar, and in here we're actually just going to search for services and then click on this EV and services app right here, then click on offload app and once again click on offload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load here and then click on the blue button here once again. Sometimes you have to click on it 2 times just so you know, but just click on it 2 times and then just wait for the app to completely update to its latest version. So I did this myself and then I went back into the app and now it was working for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.